Hello! In this video, I'll show you how to delete a user account in Windows 11. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. First, open Settings by pressing Windows key plus I. Then click on Accounts in the left sidebar and select Other Users. You'll see a list of all the user accounts set up on your PC. Find the one you want to remove. Click on the account you want to delete to expand it. Then click the Remove button. Windows will show a warning letting you know that deleting the account will also delete all files, desktop settings, and data saved to that account. So make sure you back up anything important before proceeding. Click Delete Account and Data to confirm, and Windows will remove the account immediately. After deletion, the account will no longer appear in the list, and the user won't be able to sign in. Keep in mind that if the person had a Microsoft account, their cloud data, like OneDrive files, will still be accessible through that account on another device. Only the local profile is removed from this PC. Let me know in the comments if you need help with anything else account related. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.